Good morning students. Welcome back to our second session of social studies. In the previous session we discussed about election process of India. So today we are going to discuss about election of the class leader. Elections. Election of a class leader. Most schools have student leaders, class president, house captain, school captain, and so on. In most schools, these leaders are elected by students and teachers through the process of voting. Choosing a leader through an election is a fair process. So let's see, the students of class 4 are getting ready for the class election. In this picture, there are 2 rows of seats in the classroom. From each row, one child has been chosen to stand in the class election. They are known as candidates. Of the 2, whoever gets the highest number of votes will be elected to the post of class president. The names of the 2 candidates are written on the blackboard. Just before they cast their votes, the students listen carefully to the short speeches of that are made by the 2 candidates. Each candidate speaks about her plans for the class and students if he and she is elected as the class president. This is known as campaigning. Campaigning means action done to try to win an election. Now, the process of voting. After the speeches are over, the process of voting begins. The teacher gives every student a slip of paper known as ballot paper. Look at this picture, children. A teacher gives every student one paper, that paper slip. It's called a ballot paper. Each student writes the full name of candidate of his and her choice on it. The students fold the paper so that no one can see who the student has voted for. This is known as voting by secret ballot. The students put the ballot paper into the ballot box one by one. After this process of voting finish, the next is counting of votes. The teacher collects all the ballot papers from the ballot box and begins the process of counting the votes in the class. The number of ballot papers should be the same as the number of students in the class. For example, students, there are 40 students in the class. So how many ballot papers are there? Yes, there are 40 ballot papers. Now, the results are declared and the candidate who gets the maximum number of votes win the election and become the class president. Look at this picture, children. One boy wins the election. Okay. The candidate with the second highest number of votes become the vice president. All the elected class leaders take an oath to be good leaders at the investiture ceremony in the school hall in the presence of all students and teachers of the school. Okay. Now next is the duties of a class leader. What is the duties of the class leader? The class leader has to perform the following duties. First duty is maintain discipline in the classroom in a kind, friendly, yet firm manner so that students know how to behave properly and do their work when there is no teacher in class. Isn't it, students? Next duty is keep the classroom neat and tidy and ensure that everything in the classroom, chalk, duster and notebooks is in the right place. Look at the classroom, children. The classroom is neat and clean. So this is a duty of the class monitor or class leader to take care of the class as well as classroom as well as the students. Next is, make sure that students walk in a line without making noise whenever they go out. Okay. Next, make sure that all lights and fans are switched off when students leave the classroom. So, the class president must treat every student in a fair and just manner. He and she must not show any special favors to his and her friends in class. So, significance of classroom elections. The classroom election teaches the importance of electing the right leader. They help us realize our role as a class leaders. Classroom elections also give students the power of electing leaders who are answerable to them. If class leaders do not carry out their duties as they should, they will not be chosen as candidate for the next election. So students, you know about the elections, the process of voting, and how to choose the right leader. Thank you.